In this video, we are revisiting HeyGen, the AI avatar video tool, 3 months after our initial video, and the improvements are remarkable. For those new to HeyGen, it's a platform where you can clone yourself to create videos from just giving text or audio inputs just like this one. Check out our earlier video for foundational understanding of HeyGen. This time around, we are going into the advanced techniques for maximizing HeyGen's capabilities. Our extensive learning stems not only for our personal use, but also for assisting various clients in cloning their voice and video for diverse content creation needs. More details are available at this link. Now over to Mahima for sharing the advanced AI technique.
Initially, HeyGen's avatar cloning required a video of 2 to 4 minutes, but now it accepts up to 5 minutes. This update, though seemingly small, expands the data scope we can provide. Progress in cloning has been significant. Earlier, subtle movements like glancing downwards were missed. But now, HeyGen captures every nuance of the provided dataset. We were thrilled with this advancement. In editing, we trimmed all irrelevant parts to streamline the content. However, a month later, their AI model began interpreting jump cuts as part of the dataset, limiting our editing options. This means the person being cloned must be extremely mindful of their body language, as the scope for post-production adjustments is minimal. Another notable improvement is cloning from a side angle. Initially, HeyGen couldn't handle this, but now it can, provided your face is clearly visible and unobstructed. We demonstrated this with 2 avatars from side angles, edited to resemble a video podcast. So you can create dataset from multiple angles, and in edit, get it together to give a feeling that it was shot with 2 cameras. This is a really big update in terms of AI video cloning, as all cloning till now was only possible when you are seeing straight into the camera, but HeyGen has changed that game now. HeyGen's ability to replicate movements accurately offers exciting possibilities. We advise our clients to prepare datasets for 3 distinct use cases: e-learning videos, social media clips, and personalized messages, as HeyGen's paid plan includes 3 avatar cloning options. Shoot each set with different backgrounds and body languages suitable for each context. A crucial yet challenging tip is to vary body language across datasets without making it too specific or exaggerated. While varied gestures are beneficial, overly dramatic movements can be problematic and look out of place. Unless you're a seasoned performer, striking the right balance can be tough. Even when executed well, the AI may render some movements mechanical. We recommend being natural on camera. Any out-of-context body language can be masked with stock footage or different angles during editing. A couple of areas where we hope to see improvements in HeyGen include better control over body language and enhanced video quality. Currently, even if you submit footage in 4K resolution, the platform only allows downloads in 1080p. This can lead to quality issues, especially when viewed on larger screens. But I am hopeful the way they are progressing, these changes will come soon. These advancements in HeyGen have not only automated the process, but also opened doors for creative professionals to add a professional touch and make it very close to real shoot quality. If you're interested in our assistance to fully cater to your brand's needs in the cloning process and ensure your cloned videos look polished and professional, don't hesitate to contact us.